¿Qué tal, amigos seguidores de Sobre Orugas? Estamos aquí en el mundo de asfalto 2025 y llegamos aquí al stand de Broce, de las barredoras Broce, y está con nosotros Dave, que nos va a platicar del stand y de algunos equipos. Dave, how are you doing?
Great, thank you. Here we are at World of Asphalt 2025, St. Louis, Missouri. And Mario is working with me. We're going to tell you a little bit about Broce Manufacturing. We've been around since 1963. And we are the #1 leader in what's called brooms, sweeper brooms. And I believe there's probably over 1,000 of these type sweepers here in Mexico itself. So the idea of the mid-mount broom is something Broce invented in '63. And the idea was, instead of pushing a broom like was being done with a tractor broom, they decided to put it in the middle of the machine. With a broom in the middle of the machine and being supported from above, it's a much lighter sweep. It's like when you push a broom, it's difficult, but when you pull it, it's easier. So that was the genius of the mid-mount broom in Broce in 1963. And since that time, we've grown to a company of 140 people. We ship brooms all over the world. They are very simple machines to maintain and to keep going. They're powerful machines. They have 74 horsepower engines. And just simple, and for road construction, for milling, for chip seal, anything to keep the road clean, and so this has been our stable for many years. In time, though, we've grown our product line, and maybe the next one to take a look at is this MK1 here. Okay, this MK1 came out in 2003, and as you notice, it has a long conveyor, and the purpose of this one was to pick up millings primarily, to do chip seal reclamation, picking up extra stone. The machine is very simple as well, and that's its strength. So you'll notice we have a 6-foot pickup broom there, and the material is shot up into an auger. The auger brings the material up to this steel slack conveyor, and up the conveyor there to be loaded on a truck. This machine, it's not fast, but it's very simple again, and you put a truck in front of it and you travel at a walking speed, and it will pick up lots of material and place it in the truck. It has a much bigger engine than the 350, that's 75 horse. This is 130 horsepower, so you need that extra power to get it up. And another nice thing about this machine is very easy to clean. Really, the only thing to keep clean is the auger. Just make sure that gets cleaned out, especially with tar and that kind of material. So, yeah, this has been a good seller for us. It's more of a niche market, but it's the simplicity, again, is what makes this machine so good. It runs a Cummins engine, which we run in all of our machines. And so this was 2003. Now come with me. So in 2000, let me think. About 2019, we came out with this FMJ 470. Now you'll notice this is a front mount broom. And I told you earlier that we didn't really like the front mount or the tractor type brooms because they take more energy to push the broom. The bristles wear out quicker. But there's some real advantages to this. One is the visibility. You can see in front of you better. We have a very nice cab here, very comfortable. This is our most modern machine, and nice seating, tilt wheel, computerized indicators. This is more sophisticated than anything else we've made, and so the beauty of the front mount is at the end of a pass, you can move the material off the road or push it in the bucket. With a mid-mount broom, when you lift that broom up, you're going to have a pile of material, and you're going to need a skid steer or something else to move that. And so one of the strengths of this is just the ease of removing material and not having another machine. They're a little more fragile, I would say, because your broom is out front, and if you hit something, that's a very costly repair. So, but we offer both, and this right now has been a very good broom for us. Municipalities like it a lot. The comfort is second to none. The visibility, and so yeah, this is our most expensive broom, but it's a very good product. So we've also gotten, this is our three-wheeler. We call this the BW 260. The BW 260. And what's unique about this machine is it's towable.
Yeah.
So you can put this hitch here right on the back of a truck, and you would need to release the hydraulic powered rear axle, and you'd be drive away. Once you get to your job site, you would turn it from tow. When you tow, you want this to freewheel, and then you turn it to sweep. You engage the turning mechanism, and so now you can drive and sweep. It has a 8 or 6 foot brush with a shock absorber, so it doesn't swing much. It's got good protection of the broom. Very simple again. Good for smaller jobs, parking lots. Some milling, but not a whole lot. This one has a Kubota engine, 25 horsepower. This unit here has a cab with air conditioning and heat. The U.S. price of that is about $36,000. We also make a model with just ROPS with no cab or air, and that runs about $27,000.
Good.
Yeah, and then we have a new line of attachments. We have an angle broom that we're very proud of. Heavy, lots of protection of the water. Simple broom again, but the water tank has been a big seller because it's low profile. It doesn't get in the way. We have worked with Danfoss to create a flow mechanism that keeps the broom running between 180 and 200 RPM. You start running too fast, you start burning through bristles. It's all big, heavy-duty broom. And then its companion is over here. This is going to be the pickup broom. This has been a big bonus for us. We introduced this last year at Con Expo, and you see we started with a loader bucket. So it's very heavy, 3/8 steel. It's got wear plates on the bottom that are reversible, has 7-inch steel strips underneath. The broom is able to come down in sections as it wears. We have good protection gear over the water. Nice 1/4-inch steel there. Over here is the motor. And the motor is a quick change motor. You release it with the Allen wrench on the other side, and you have 1 pin, 2 pin, 3 pins. This swings out, and the old broom will drop down. You can build a new broom and stick it back in. Again, it's well protected. We have, again, the same Danfoss system over here that runs the broom at a constant speed without going too fast. The integrated water system, very simple but very durable. And this is what our industry wants, really, is this simplicity and durability. And the Broce name is well known. We have a strong dealership network in Mexico, and have worked there, like I said, for many years. So we family-owned business and been doing it for over 50 years now, 60 years. So this is Broce Manufacturing. I'm Dave Grayson. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave.